Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MTSL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green line is coming from. And like I said, this one, once again, had a nice move in it. So just when you think this thing seems to be dead, it comes back to life. But after today's price movement, we definitely have kind of a couple key overall technical levels that are really standing out to me. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that line. Yeah, it pertains, but like I said, there's not something else now that's really standing out. And that is the fact that the bulls just are quietly kind of grinding upwards. What do I mean by grinding upwards? Well, check out the trend line. Yeah, there's been a lot of big old pullbacks, but along the way, these lows, to give credit where credit's due, just keep getting higher and higher. So as long as the price does stay above that trend line, then yeah, it may not be anything super exciting. Like this was obviously just very, very exciting. That was, exciting, but, just kind of slow and methodical. That's essentially what the price has been doing. Now, of course, if the price breaks below this orange line and then, continues to the downside, at that point, yeah, the chart is totally broken. That trend is no longer valid. But as things stand right now, going into Friday, that trend is still totally valid. And, the bulls are, technically speaking, slowly working their way back upwards. Now, the other level that really stands out after today's price action comes in the form of resistance. And this is up here at let's see, what do we want to call that? $3.70 mark. Taking a quick trip down memory lane, you can see that yesterday morning, that's right where the bulls got rejected. Fast forward to this morning, and once again, that's right where the bulls got rejected. So on a couple different instances in 2 separate days, the price got right up around that area and couldn't quite push through it. So while I'm not saying that the price, it's impossible or will never break above the 370-ish area, 375, all I'm saying is that the story that the chart is telling us currently is apparently the bulls are really going to need to bring their A game, because right now that's the area where the bulls are struggling. All in all, though, remains an interesting setup, and as long as the price stays above that orange trend line, you never know. Maybe another bigger move is happening. We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.